Yung balikatan na, yun nga naman yung balikatan.
Exercises like Olympic and the connections between development. One of the most exciting aspects of this exercise of our servicemen was the chance to experience Philippine hospitality.
The ever-evolving nature of defense necessitates our adaptation and transformation. Through the comprehensive archipelagic defense concept that we have recently developed, we aim to enhance our defense capabilities. Cooperation and military-to-military collaboration play vital roles in ensuring a safer global community for generations to come. Balikatan also represents an extraordinary opportunity for us to deepen our collaborations with friends, partners, and allies. We wholeheartedly welcome the observers from our ASEAN neighbors, the United Kingdom, Canada, the Republic of Korea.
The principals on stage are also requested to proceed to the center for the picture taking.
Once again, second folks will be crossing and hands. It is you also hold the hands of persons beside you.